and we are making our way through these gifts. We are already on day 13. This gift is a little heavy, and today's gift says, day 13, elegance is the only beauty that never fades. I just love quotes, and this one in particular is by Audrey Hepburn. It just ties into the theme so well, and let's open this up so you can see what's inside. So for today's gift, you get a brand new pattern. This is not available on our website or anywhere else. It's designed exclusively for you guys in this box. So this pattern is named Gabor, and it is for a bracelet. So you can choose to make a bracelet or a cuff. So this pattern is part of our mini pattern series, and we designed the mini patterns so that way they're very beginner friendly. And they're only one sheet of paper, so you have instructions on the front and back, and it's that simple. Also included in today's kit is the hardware that you'll need. So you have 2 stud buttons and then also 2 chain strap connectors. So you'll be able to make both styles of the bracelets. And here's how they look done. They are stunning. It's fun to mix and match different colors and materials, different prints and textures. This pattern is great to use for scraps and also for gift making. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you tomorrow for another gift.